color to last the week or so. And there's October, quickly come to fall here. The colors are ready to explode, as if you're living in painting. The orchard that we are visiting today is called U.s.a. Apples. It is about an 2 hours drive from Seattle.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rashmi Patel and I make videos every week. So this time we are here at apple picking orchard. This is our first time experience and we are super duper excited. Looking forward bringing you guys along. Let's roll the day.
See this tiny one? Look at this one. Whole tree is covered with vibrant red apples. Lots and lots of apples. Great trees, and you don't have to worry about having to have a ladder as apples are within a reach. Apparently, apple is really a popular thing that you do here in Washington. So seasons lapsed, we were excited to give it a try and this is what we are being offered. Everything seems quiet and gives the countryside vibe. You can freely wander the orchard without crowd. These are some unique apples that we ever tested and seen at John's Creek Farm. Our experience was wonderful. If you're planning, definitely do visit mid of September.
And it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful apple orchard. It was a fruitful day. I hope you like watching today's video. So please do go ahead, hit the like button and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Rashmi Patel. I'll see you next week. Goodbye. apple. Yeah.